Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 204.
Math Practice number 204. This is part of our fun week on infinity. On Monday, we talked about kind of what infinity is. Yesterday, we talked about something fun called the Hilbert Hotel. Today, we're going to continue talking about the Hilbert Hotel because we left off on this problem. So the Hilbert Hotel is a hotel that has an infinite number of rooms, and I've sort of drawn that by drawing them down like this, and we're going to pretend they go all the way down.
Yeah.
Why didn't I draw them all the rooms?
Because they're infinite.
There's too many. And the thing we were working on is what happens when a bus with an infinite number of people shows up at the hotel. Can the new people come into the hotel?
Yeah, everyone just shifts over.
Well, when one person or two persons come to the hotel, everyone shifts over.
Two.
These are the rooms. Remember what we did when a bus with an infinite number of people came to the hotel?
Well, we multiplied it by 2, so 3 would go to 6, 4 would go to 8. So all the odd rooms were empty.
Very good. And then the bus could fit into the odd rooms. And now where there were 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever buses with infinitely many people, we could just keep doing that procedure. For example, with the first bus, we could put everyone in the odd rooms. With the second bus, first we move everyone to the even rooms, then put them in the odd rooms.
Yeah.
With the third bus, first we, go through the procedure with the first 2, etc.
Yeah.
And then that could work. But now we have an infinite number of buses. So we're going to need a new procedure. Because that procedure would never end, right? So what we're going to do here, and this is what the mathematician Cantor thought of, and it's really amazing. First, we are going to do the thing where we multiply everyone goes to their room number multiplied by 2. Okay? So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 6, 4 goes to 8, 5 goes to 10. So these rooms, the odd rooms, are now all empty. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc.
Yeah.
Then instead of putting everyone in this bus in those rooms, Cantor thought of this amazing idea. Maybe I'll use your green marker. The first person, this person, we're going to start here, they can go to room 1. This person goes to room 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So we go through these buses like a snake. You see that? How I'm snaking through the buses?
Yeah.
And what's going to happen? Well, that's going to eventually hit every bus, right?
Yeah.
And every person in all the buses, right?
Yeah.
And then we can just slip them into these rooms. How about that?
Cool.
That's called the, actually I forget what that's called. That's kind of like the sneaky argument, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but here's something really amazing about this. Remember when we talked about infinity? We said every two sets of numbers have the same if you can match them up. 2 infinities have the same amount of numbers in their set if you can match them up with the integers, right? We said the odd numbers match up with this and the squares. Remember that? But now we have something really interesting where we can actually make the fractions. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, actually. 5. This is how I wanted to do it. Tell you what, let's stop there. And I'll show you how we make the fractions tomorrow, now that we figured out how to solve the infinitely many buses in the hotel. Okay?
Yep.
Sound good?
Yep.
Alright, good job today, sweetie.